This thing is way too high. It said, I gotta stay high all the time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cherry Garage. We are working on our E30 today. So I already have the back end up, and that is because these big old meaty tires, especially this one, likes to rub this fender whenever I'm making some hard turns or even just hard bumps in the road. If I have a lot of weight in the car, it rubs a lot. So to try and fix that, I ordered these rear spring, I guess, seats. They're adjustable in height. So you have a little metal collar here and then 3 disc. I'm gonna use all 3 of them, but these are varying sizes. All 3 of them are supposed to be 15 millimeters. And I got that from Condor Speedshop. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for that. Yeah, I'm gonna just try and raise the back end a little bit so that I can not rub my tires on my fenders. So I already got the back end up, lifted it from the diff, and I have the jacks on the subframe bolts. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to install these bad boys and let you know if it actually fixes my problem. All right, guys, so I'll show you where we're at underneath. I'm gonna slide under here. Whee! So I'm also gonna fix my exhaust, as you can see. It's struggling big time. 1, 2, 3 hangers all broke. But I went ahead and put some PV blaster on this bottom strut bolt and my sway bar end link right there. Did over there. So I'm gonna undo those and then have Keaton pull on this guy. I'm gonna try and slide those little spring pads in there. I'll let you know how it goes. And then we're gonna fix the exhaust.
Alright, there we go.
So guys, this is the, looks like the nut on the end of the sway bar end link. Now I can pop that out. So it just comes out of that little flange. Is this thing gonna fall pretty hard here in a second?
I hope not. Oh, the strut is needing to be replaced.
Yeah, it needs replaced. Maybe do all new bushings and suspension on it.
Yeah?
In the winter. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. So I got all this shit off. Now we should be able to let this drop more, pull out this old rubber one, and put in that like plexiglass plastic rubber seat. I'll tell you guys the parts you need to do this.
Yeah,
some PV blaster, a 13 mil and a 19 mil. That's about it. And 1 ketone. Here, this is what we need to get a good view of. Anyways, you put this little collar over this guy. Then you're gonna put your little disc over the collar, and that will increase your ride height. So then you get your spring. Then you gotta get this one back in there.
What am I doing? Yeah, it's getting there.
And it's kinda in there now. So now we need to lift this tire up. Well, that's one side down, guys. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll see how she goes.
I'm not X Games move.
All right, it's the moment of truth, kind of. But we're gonna go ahead and finally let it back down, and we'll see how much we can tell the ride height difference. Also, real quick, I just gotta show you this stellar exhaust hanger job. Yep. That'll hold for now.
Let me get this angle.
I'll get the angle.
Well, that is
higher,
a lot of it
but
higher.
it hasn't settled. So.
A lot of it higher, and it has not settled at all.
But it seems like it might be about where it should be. In comparison.
I mean, I don't think I'm gonna rub anymore.
No more rubbing on your rear end?
It still looks pretty slammed.
It's pretty, yeah. maybe, you know.
But low key, I might take one of them out.
Yeah, I'd take.
Well, we'll see how much it settles.
Yeah.
All right, so this will probably be the end of the video. That was just kind of my little how-to and quick update on the E30. But I'll add on to this if I have any issues. But if you don't see any more of me, it worked great. So thanks guys, peace.